think this is recording. Thank you guys for getting excited about your Chromebooks. You guys have earned them. And before we dive too much into using them the next few weeks, I wanted to take some time to let you know what it's going to look like to use Chromebooks in science. So this is awesome, right? There's a lot of great things about having Chromebooks. We're going to be able to do a lot more projects, which will allow you guys to be more creative. It's also self-paced, so some of you guys that are quicker can move on to the next thing in the playlist. Some of you guys that need to take your time or maybe didn't get something, you can go back and redo an activity or rewind something, and that way everyone kind of gets exactly what they need. And we have less paper waste, so by conserving some of our resources and moving some assignments to the computer, we don't have as much paper. There is going to be some things that we need to be careful about. For example, these machines require trust. A lot of you guys have built this up, but we need to make sure we're continuing to always be doing the right things using these Chromebooks. Secondly, it is going to take some time to get used to everything. How do you find the right website? How do you submit an assignment? How do you put an answer into Educanon? Those are things that are going to take some time. So the first thing I want to remind you guys is to be patient. If you have a question, remember, there's only one of me. You need to ask your shoulder partner first. Also, I know it's not easy to be frustrated, but expect to be frustrated. Things are going to break, things might not work, but that's why we're trying this out now so that we can fix those for next year. Next thing, be responsible. You get one laptop, that's the one you're assigned, that's the only one you need to be using. Treat it with care, carry it with 2 hands. Make sure you're never ever eating or drinking near it, which shouldn't be an issue. Third thing, we need to be academic. The only thing you're on is these playlists. You should never be exploring, fixing, hunting for different things. Everything you're doing is going to be on the playlist. There's no need, and I should never see you on any other thing on your Chromebook. In science specifically, we're going to be using these to conduct our research for our design project, so we can take a look at videos or pictures of some other designs that students have done. You are also going to be writing a blog or maybe a few Google Docs about your design process. And as you'll see today, you will take your prove-its and your quizzes online. I hope you guys are excited. I definitely am, and you guys should be thankful that you are the class that was chosen to get these Chromebooks first. So enjoy, take care of your machine, be responsible, and I'm excited to try this out together.